Hi, I'm Crystal, product owner here at MyCarrier.
And I'm James, Director of Special Projects.
We're really excited to announce QuickShip Connector, a new feature that pulls information from your order and warehouse management systems right into the MyCarrier platform.
No more jumping back and forth and having to re-enter the same information over and over.
This simple integration streamlines your shipping process and saves you a ton of time. It does this by reducing errors, getting rid of redundant tasks, and providing visibility to all your order and shipment information in one place.
Let's take a look at how this can benefit you as a shipper. Once your QuickShip Connector integration is all set up, you can simply log into your MyCarrierTMS account and access your order information right from quote history. This allows you to process your shipments without having to duplicate your efforts. The quick transfer of information between systems reduces errors and saves shippers a significant amount of time.
Let automation take the wheel to simplify your shipping process.